In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Udemy display name on desktop. If you want to refresh how your name appears across your Udemy profile, this quick walkthrough will help you do it smoothly and confidently. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Udemy website. Log into your account so you can access your profile settings. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile avatar or your current name. Click there to open the account menu. From the drop-down menu, choose Profile or Account Settings. The exact wording can vary slightly, but either option will take you to the area where you can update your personal information. When the profile page loads, locate the name fields. You'll see separate boxes for your first name and last name, along with other fields that may be editable. Click directly into the name fields to activate them. Type the new name you want displayed publicly. This is the name other users will see on your profile and in places like course reviews or Q&A, so make sure it's spelled exactly how you want it to appear. Keep it clear, professional, and consistent with the identity you want to present on the platform. After you've entered your new first and last name, scroll down the page and click Save to apply the changes. Give the page a moment to update. If you return to your profile or refresh the page, you should see your display name reflected right away. A couple of important notes to keep in mind. Updating your profile name changes how your name appears on your Udemy profile moving forward. However, if you've already earned certificates before making this change, those certificates may still show your old name. Certificates are typically a snapshot of your details at the time they were issued, so they won't automatically update when your profile name changes. If you don't see the option to edit your name, or if your changes don't seem to save, try logging out of your account and then logging back in. You can also try using another browser. Occasionally, browser caching causes profile edits to misbehave, and a fresh session or a different browser usually clears that up. And that's it. You've updated your Udemy display name on desktop. With just a few clicks, your profile now reflects the name you want others to see. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you make your profile look exactly the way you want.